The Stokes Law Interactive Calculator solves particle settling problems in fluids using multiple calculation modes. Let's start with the drop-down menu for calculation mode. You can calculate terminal velocity, calculate particle diameter, calculate fluid viscosity, calculate drag force, calculate Reynolds number, or calculate settling time. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Terminal Velocity. Now for the input fields. Enter particle diameter in micrometers. I'm using 50. Next, particle density in kilograms per cubic meter. That's 2,650. Then fluid density, also in kilograms per cubic meter, 1,000. Finally, fluid viscosity in Pascal seconds, 0.001. Click Calculate, and here are our results. Terminal velocity is 2.2481 millimeters per second, which also displays as 2.2481 meters per second. The Reynolds number is 0.112406, confirming laminar flow conditions. Drag force measures 1.059 E plus 0 nanonewtons. That's the resistance on our particle. The Stokes regime shows marginal, indicating we're near the boundary of Stokes' law validity, which typically requires Reynolds numbers below 0.1. This tool streamlines particle settling calculations for process design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.